Morning guys, I'm just having a look in the old diary, see what we're going to be doing today. Not really, I don't write much in this diary, just important things. So today we're going to be going to Tadcaster and we're going to be doing some point and grind on a wall. I think it's about 20 metres in total. And we're not going to be taking the pointing gun this time, so we're going to be doing it by hand, well, with a board and the jointing iron. So this should be fun, trying to get that done in a day. And I do have another video that we did on a house pointing with the pointing gun. If you'd like to see that, I'll put it up at the end of this video, and then you can have a look at that with the pointing gun. But this one, it's just on the wall, so it's just basically to make the wall look nice. So it's not going to be a deep grind, we're just going to grind it, point it. We're doing just one side of it that's in his garden and the top. So yeah, and it's going to be pretty hot today, so at least there's no rain. So yeah, I'll see you on job guys. This is it guys, this is the wall we're going to be doing today. finally the grind has stopped. So I'm about where we first started grinding. We're going to have his dinner, then crack on with the rest of it. Once we've cleaned it up a bit first, give it a wash down this bit. We're ready to go. So when I've pointed these flat bricks, what I like to do is just wait till it all goes white and it's dried on brick and you can see all white bits on brick, and then just give it a rub with a cloth or your t-shirt like me, and then you'll notice that the stains don't come back, but make sure it's dry. If it gets wet, you're going to have to leave it a bit longer, but if it's nice and dry, it'll come off and they won't show again. If you're using bricks which have got a face on them, you need to be just using a brush, because this method won't work. That's it guys, we're all done and cleaned up. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like and drop us a comment. Thanks a lot. See ya.